Okay guys, so this laptop also comes with the Copilot, and there's so many other features in the that I have yet to explore. So for now, I really love the look and feel of this laptop. The keyboard is amazing. It is, I never owned a MacBook, but I've seen it, and I love these keyboards, especially because I have like a little big hand, and my fingers are pretty big, so I really like this big keyboard. The the fonts and the keys are amazing. The look and feel when we are typing is amazing. I love it so far. The screen is also nice, and the camera quality is 5 megapixels, so it's, I mean, not that top notch, but still better than the other laptops, right? And yeah, so I'm very excited. As you saw, I just downloaded CapCut Chrome. It was very fast, and of course it's a brand new laptop, so it will be fast, but I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you updating in maybe a few months or a month, or let's see. I mean, I have 90 days to return this laptop if I don't like it, because I bought it from Costco, and that's the reason I bought from Costco. Especially the price is also very good, and also their return window. Yeah, so yeah, that was the unboxing and a little test run of this laptop, right? Or my first impression, if you want to say that. But yeah, overall I like it so far. I'm very excited to be editing my videos from this laptop going forward. Yeah, because I've always edited my videos on my phone, my iPhone 14 Pro Max up until now, and I'm very, very excited. The reason I bought this is because I wanted some storage. At the same time, I wanted, something that can really quickly export my videos, because on the phone it's really difficult to export the storage, and it's a lot of things I cannot just do on my phone. Yeah, so I have a lot of better options in CapCut as well if I use a desktop version. So that's the reason I bought this laptop. So yeah, and yeah, do leave me a comment. Don't forget to like if you really enjoyed this video, and most importantly, subscribe my channel if you haven't already for other product reviews, because I literally review all existing products, at least in my household, right? So because I love, I also enjoy reviewing others others products, because that way I can decide if I want that product or not. And that's the reason I always enjoy making these videos, because I want to help people before they invest in something. Even if it's $1, $10, $5, doesn't matter, it's still money. So if you're investing in something, if you're buying something, you gotta know if that's worth it or not, right? So that's the reason I make all these videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do also let me know if you would like to see some other features on this laptop. I may not know right now, because I'm pretty new to this one. And yeah, yep, and I'm not going over all the processors and all that stuff, because I mean, if you Google, you can already tell it's a 32 GB 1 terabyte storage, and this one's the AMD Ryzen processor. So that's the reason I bought this laptop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe again. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.